India's general elections are moving east in the seventh phase of polling, with nearly 140 million people expected to vote. As the city of Howrah in West Bengal gears up for polling, a delegation from Nepal is on a visit to learn more about how the country is managing this historic process. The Election Commission of India and the United Nations Development Programme are facilitating the participation of delegates from Nepal and 17 other countries to witness the 16th general elections. The delegation visited a polling centre manned entirely by women in Howrah, demonstrating the important role women play in managing the electoral process. Since 2009, more than 100 million new names have been added to voters' lists, a huge proportion of which are young voters. Over 50% of India's population is under 25, and young people are an important constituent in these elections. In West Bengal alone, over 2 million first-time voters are eligible to cast their vote.
We try to consciously focus on all the boys and the girls of the young age, and their engagement was different from the other population. We could not have said it is your duty, it is your responsibility. We tried to make it more of a fun thing. So we focused on FM channels, we tried to focus on audio and video channels which young people looked and heard, and we made all our entire audio-visual appeal focused on the young electorate.
I think what you are doing with young voters in India is really exemplary. It's very important to have young voters on board because they decide what kind of country they want, what kind of government they want. They may have different issues.
Young people যারা থাকেন তারাই হচ্ছে দেশের প্রধান ভিত। তারা যদি ভোট না দেয় তাহলে তো দেশটাই নড়বড়ে হয়ে যাবে, কারণ তরুণ যে আমরা যেমন তরুণ, আমরা যেমন ইয়াং পিপল, হ্যাঁ মানে আমরা যদি ভোট না দিই তাহলে তো দেশের কাঠামোটাই গড়বে না, কারণ লেখাপড়া হোক চাকরি হোক তবেই তো মানে ইয়াং পিপল দিয়ে শুরু হয়, এবং একটা দেশকে গড়ে তুলতে গেলে তো ইয়াং পিপলদের সাহায্য অবশ্যই লাগবে।
I'm 18 years old and I'm voting today, and I want you all to vote, and I want you to get involved in your politics and to know the peoples who are voting, who are the candidate and what they're going to do for you, and select the right one.
Basically what I believe is, if you want to make India develop, you have to take the first step. It's for the enforcement of your right. It's no point blaming your government until and unless you take the initiative. So I have done my bit, and I would expect the same from everyone out here. Thank you.